I love will see you through. Marco season, dedicate to Marco season, guys. My love will see you through. Time it's roll and your dream gets pulled apart. Excuse. And sometimes you feel that you can't go on. It's wrong. Hold on, for my love will keep run through the coldness of night, through the rain, through the storm, and pray, turning back on you. And you so hopeless, you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just sit out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. But I helping hand when the road seems so long and least, and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just look on, have faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach to the stars, when you cross and David say, when you climb the hell is hell, my love will always be with you, and everything you do, and every step you make, and every road you take. Don't be afraid